Jolly good. Why don't you come up and eat with us? I need all the help I can get. Not you, Stephen. Grandma doesn't like you.
Lucky bastard. Well, what am I supposed to eat?
Oh, help yourself to the deep freeze.
The deep freeze.
Everything's frozen. And I have a dryer.
And he has a dryer. The fuck kind of 1970s stoner shit is that? The things and the ways that I have used and done to reheat food and cook food, never once have I thought about the dryer. Like, the fuck? Holy shit.